call center? It is because we are really a very good English speaker. We are the most neutral. Because we don't do like this, you know. Or we don't have an accent like this. Especially in China, it's so hard. You cannot understand the Chinese. Diba, yung mga ano, hello, call center. Hello, you're calling from California. California, India. I don't understand what you're talking about. And we really are the number one English speaker na. Second to the US. Number one sa Asia. Second sa buong sa US. And I think, thanks to this BPO industry, may trabaho dito sa Pilipinas. But then again, until when? Because while the technology grows, nag-iiba po ang mga needs, especially sa mga industries. Para lang yan, dati typewriter, usong-uso, lahat may typewriter. Ngayon, nagka-computer. Ngayon, may iPad na. So what's next? No? Ako, hanggang ngayon, old school pa rin ako, laptop pa rin ang gamit.
Yeah, gusto ko pag isang click mo, whatever you like, it's there.
Oh yeah.